Yeah? I know. You're a good boy. Yeah. You're pretty. What's in that cup? What's in the cup? What's in the cup? Is this yours? Is this yours? What's in the cup? You singing to the cup? Why don't you sing with your head in the cup? I know. You telling me how your day went? Did you have a good day? Do you want some more hot cocoa? That was Mommy's hot cocoa from yesterday. I know. You good boy. I know. You're so pretty. Mommy's good boy. Good boy. Good boy. You're so fuzzy. What are you doing? You're singing to the cup. What would happen? Oh, I was just going to move that cup, but you want to come with? Here, I put the cup right over here, and then I'll take you and put you back over here. And I'm going to mess with you even more and take your lipstick. Put it all the way over here in the cup. Uh-oh, here it comes. Where's my lipstick? Where's my cup? I'm going to go get it. Dun, 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 dun. There it is. Good boy. It's right over there, isn't it? Oh, who is that? Is that Ginger? Is she getting impatient? It's not all about me, Mom. I don't understand. You good boy? I know. Are you handsome? You're a good boy. Mommy's going to turn this off because I'm sure people are bored. I think you're cute. Oh, you're jealous. Hi.